So I was scrolling through the internet the other day when I stumbled upon this amazing website. You upload an image and boom, it turns it into a 3D model, just like that. It looks so good, almost like magic. But then I started wondering, could we do something like this ourselves using Python? Well, let's find out. Okay, so first, what we're trying to do is pretty simple in theory. We take a 2D image, say a photo of a bag, and we try to guess how far each pixel is from the camera. You can access the code from the video description, and I've also listed all the packages you need to install. Now, let's dive into the code. All right, let's break this down and see how our Python 3D magic actually works. First things first, we need to import all the modules. We've got OpenCV for image processing, NumPy for numerical stuff, Peel for handling images, and tkinter to make a little file picker pop up. Basically, these are our superhero tools for the job. Next up, we have this config dictionary. Think of it as our control panel. It stores default settings like which image to load, whether we want to use the smart MiDaS model or just a simple depth guess, point size, and other parameters. It makes tweaking things super easy without hunting through the code. Now let's talk about the Choose Image dialog function. This little gem opens a file selection window so you can pick any image on your computer. Super convenient. No more typing file paths manually. After we pick an image, we pass it to read RGB. OpenCV loads images in BGR format by default, which is a bit weird for humans, so this function flips it to RGB. That way, all our colors show up correctly in the final 3D scene. Next comes depth estimation. We've got two options. Estimate depth simple. This one's quick and dirty. It converts the image to grayscale and assumes brighter pixels are closer. Not perfect, but it works fast on any machine. Estimate depth MiDaS. This is the big brain option. MiDaS is a pre-trained AI model that predicts depth like a pro, and if you have a GPU, it'll use CUDA to speed things up. So instead of guessing, it actually understands the 3D structure. Once we have the depth map, Create Point Cloud takes over. It converts our 2D image and depth info into thousands of 3D points, each with its own color. Imagine turning a flat photo into a cloud of colorful floating dots. That's exactly what's happening here. Finally, we visualize everything with Open3D. The Visualize Points function opens a 3D window where you can rotate, zoom, and pan around your model. It even adds a coordinate frame so you don't get lost in space. The main function ties it all together. It handles input arguments, chooses the image, computes depth, builds the point cloud, and launches the 3D viewer. And don't worry, if anything breaks, the code gracefully prints an error and exits safely. So, in short, we import our tools, configure our settings, pick an image, estimate depth, generate a 3D point cloud, and finally visualize it. That's Python doing some serious AI 3D magic right on your PC. With this setup, even a mid-range GPU like my GT 1030 and a Ryzen 5 CPU can pull off something pretty impressive. And of course, if you want better results, a stronger GPU will take it to the next level. Now let's run it and watch our 2D photo pop into 3D life. And there it is, our 2D image, reborn in 3D. You can move around it, zoom in, spin it. It feels like the picture just came to life. Now, of course, it's not perfect. The real AI websites are using much more complex models like trained on huge GPU clusters. But honestly, getting something this cool to run on a mid-range PC is already amazing. You can join the channel to support what we do here or get early access to new videos. And of course, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell icon so you don't miss what's next.